Hello friends, today are also money is available in this world. Treasurer and bank balance are also available in this world. Millions of dollars, billions of dollars or pounds or rupees are also available in this world. The only necessity is to earn them. Number one, and there are only two universal methods to make money legally. Number one is businesses and number two is services. Number one is businesses, number two is services. And what is businesses and what is services? The fulfillment of needs of any customer or clients of any products which may be physical, virtual, or digital is called as businesses. And what is services? Services, by using of products which may be physical, virtual, or digital, you will fulfillment the needs of the customers or clients, that is called as services, by using products. So okay, this is called as services. Now I am here with an idea of businesses with strategies by which you can earn money and develop your businesses. Number one is oil collection center. Oil collection center. This is a very effective idea to develop your business initially. In this idea, you will collect the used engine oil of the vehicle from different garages. For example, if you purchase the used engine oil in $1 or whatever currency being run in your country, sell it with your profit of margin. And for example, $1 you purchase and $2 you will sell it. So $1 is your profit of margin. And there will be your oil refining companies are available in your cities, or head offices or any of the offices are available in your cities, or any nearby offices are available, so you can contact them to sell it. And initially 10 to 15 garages you will have to contact, and afterwards they will also automatically contact you, and in this way your businesses will run up, and then you can easily turn this business on your autopilot mode. How you feel this idea, just comment in the comment sections below, like and share this video with your friends and relatives. Further, I will bring more beneficial videos, so subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. I will meet with you in next video. Be creative, be confident, be a leader, and thanks for watching, and thanks for being with me, and Almighty God bless you all.